How to fix unoriginal content strikes on TikTok. Grab your phone and open the TikTok app. Look at the bottom of the screen. Look for the little person icon on the far right. Tap on it to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, look at the top right corner. Look for the 3 lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on those. A menu will slide out from the bottom. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down the menu that pops up until you see Report a Problem. Tap on that. Scroll down again until you find the option that says Submit a Report. Tap on it. You'll see a form where you can type out your issue. Explain why you think the unoriginal content strike was a mistake. Be detailed, but keep it clear and to the point. If you have any screenshots or videos that show why the strike was wrong, upload them here. It helps to support your case. After you've explained everything and uploaded any supporting files, tap on the Submit button. And that's it. TikTok support team will look at your report and get back to you with a response. Just hang tight, and hopefully, they'll resolve the issue for you soon. And that's how you can fix unoriginal content strikes on TikTok. I hope this helped you out. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.